Have you ever found yourself just out walking, trying to escape some old memory that's stalking, feeling like a Christian child forced into confession, admitting to yourself that feeling bad is your obsession, and everybody's asking you, how are you these days? Are you alright? Baby, just smile. Baby, just smile. It'll be alright in a little while. Do you recall a time when love was all that mattered? So you put your best foot forward and your heart got bruised and battered. It's funny how the things you love the most seem to cause you sorrow. Forget about the past and just start living for tomorrow, and realize that every road you travel down is mapping out your life. Baby, just smile. Baby, just smile. It'll be alright in a little while. You believe there's nothing else than the hand that you've been dealt. I believe there must be something else. Every now and then you go out drinking, but for one night on the town you spend 3 at home just sinking. Finally you'll realize you still gotta do some living. Try to find the good things in this life that you've been given, and maybe then you'll come into the light and see the world